package here from BPI Sports. Got some supplements in here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right here for you, do an unboxing. And here we have bubble wrap, pamphlet. They gave us ultra purely delicious ISO. I guess that's a whey protein. Best pre. So they get the pre-workout sample that they gave us. It's a tropical breeze right there. And then a receipt. And then with the purchase, they gave us a free BPI Sports shaker cup, which is pretty awesome of them. We'll open that up, take a look at that. Usually I'm used to like the little metal balls that it looks kind of springy, but this one's like a rubbery, like little spatula thing. So, yeah, cool. Thank you guys. And it's wrapped in like a tissue paper. Okay, put that off to the side. And that's their best BCAAs. This is the shredded formula. I'm going to go over some facts about the ingredients here in the next segment. So we have the best BCAAs shredded. Where's it at here? There we go. Here's the next one. The next one is the best creatine. It has 6 advanced forms of creatine, and we'll go over the details of this formula in the next segment. Both of these flavors are snow cone, right there. So, and the other one looks a bit different. This one's like a bunch of different colors, but this one's like all blue. But anyways, yeah, can't wait to try it, and stay tuned. Okay, so for right now, we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna do kind of like a little taste test. And that was the creatine. We're gonna open that up. Boom. Got that on there, so we'll go ahead and open this up. Awesome. Fix that, right? Boom. Like that. Best creatine right there. Okay, so we'll put that right there. We'll open up our next one. Whoop. All right. That's how we do it. Get to the business. Get down to the nitty-gritty. Right there. Okay, and boom, look at that, right on top. Okay. And where are you at? There's a little package there. See if we can find the scoop. Found it. The other one was on top. We got that. And that's the creatine. And we're gonna use our shaker. Be Better, Be Stronger, BPI. All right, so we're gonna go with a scoop here of the Best Creatine. Boom, like that. And then a scoop of the BCAAs. Boom. All right, got some water right here. Fill her up. All right. There we go. Taste test. Tastes sweet. Tastes a little bit like a snow cone. Tastes pretty good. Nick, you want to try it? Tell me what you think, Nick. Tastes good, huh?
Lemon, like lemonade.
Has a little bit of lemon taste to it, you think?
It's good though.
But that's supposed to be both of those are the snow cone flavor, blue in color, like a light blue in color, and it tastes sweet. It tastes good. So taste test, we approve. Next time I hit the gym, I'll go ahead and give this a try too. The BPI Sports, the best pre-workout. I'll go over the facts with that with you guys, and then for a post-workout shake, we'll go ahead and get this. It's called Peanut Butter Candy Bar. Oh, I love peanut butter. Every time I went into GNC, they never had anything with the chocolate or peanut butter or any other protein brand. But BPI right here, Peanut Butter Candy Bar. We're gonna get that as our post-workout protein drink. We'll give that a try as well, and stay tuned, and we'll go over the ingredients on these on the next segment. Thanks for watching.